Happy weekend. You say happy weekend? Happy weekend from Star and Mommy. Okay. Happy weekend, everyone. Now, today we are going to unbox another camping gear. It's actually the same, but since I have 2 bags of my camping thing, we decided to get the same color for the other one. I have a green bag, khaki bag, and I have this brown bag. So Mike has decided to bought me more this side bag where I can put my water or my coffee canister and Star's chum here, right, Star? Or do you want to get inside? Do you want to be in here? Oh no, you are not because you're fat. Okay, so Star's chum will be placed here, and her dish. So whatever we can put, we can bring, we can just attach it directly to my belt or my side waist, or I can attach this one in my bag. And this is I really loved it. It's portable. And we have multi-scarf. See? I got scarf. I have this kind of scarf. Neck scarf that sometimes I also put in my head to be my headband. Like that, especially if it's really windy. It helps your hair to be frizzy, to avoid being frizzy hair. So it can be in your head or your neck. And I have another color here. So I already have 3 of them. Plain khaki, camouflage, and the brown camouflage. The green. You can wear it in your head or your neck or in your face or in your wrist. Yes, thank you, babe. I loved it. Thank you. You say bye-bye na? Bye! We'll be having camping in the garden late, Sammy and Star. And we're going to make an outdoor bread. Bye for now.